I'm with Kerrie Kelly, interior designer out of California and TV personality. Thank you very much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
You worked with Alden Parks on a project called Show House in a Showroom, and I know you worked with them with Replacements Limited on a dining area. Talk with us about the fabulous design tips you've done here.
You know, we're from California, like you mentioned, and we're here at High Point, and what we wanted to do is really bring some of that California casual vibe, but we have a dining space, so we needed a little bit of shine going on, but also a lot of personalization. So we have this color on leather in other areas of the space, so we brought that in, but then made name cards for each of the people eating dinner at the table and a menu. And this is just on acrylic, the back is painted, and then these are just decals that were put on there. So an easy project, or you can have a pro make it too, either way.
A lot of times consumers are afraid to have people over because it's overwhelming to have a table set like this.
Yeah.
Ideas and tips for doing it and not being afraid.
You know, I love to incorporate what I have in my kitchen cabinet. That could be from Williams-Sonoma or, you know, wherever, something from your family history. And then this piece specifically coming from Replacements, we can add something that maybe we don't have around all the time. Add just a little infusion of personality, of shine again, or color, because they have so many patterns to choose from.